Today in this video, we're going to see on how to start a business.
In any business, you need to do market research. Market research is the action of gathering information about consumers' needs and preferences. Market research allows you to identify the target market, get opinions and feedback from consumers about the interest in product or services. After that, it is fundamental to write your own business plan. Business plan is a written document that explains in detail how a business works by defining the objective and how is it going to achieve its goal. The business plan may consist of written roadmap for your firm from marketing, financial, operation, and cultural standpoint.
Other than that, you also need to think on your business funding.
Business funding is the process of figuring out how much money you will need to start your business. You should decide whether you want to use your own money, take personal loan, or borrow from others to fund your business. Other than that, you need to select your business location. Your business location is one of the most crucial decisions you will make. Whether you want to set a physical store business or launching an online store, the choice you make could affect your taxes, legal requirement, and revenue. Then you need to choose a business structure. The business structure you select affects everything from day-to-day operation, to taxes, and to how much your personal assets are at risk. You should select the business structure that provides you the right balance of legal protection and benefits. The common business structure are the sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, and corporation. Now, the most important thing, which is to choose your business name. You need to choose a suitable business name that can attract the attention of others. You will want one that reflects your brands and capture your spirit. You also need to make sure your business name are not already being used by someone else. Finally, it's time to register your business. Usually, if you're doing business under a name different than your own, you will need to register with the federal government and maybe your state government too. The legality and business registration also can be varied, depends on the country you're living. So it's advisable to seek professional help to get things done right. Well, in this video, you have briefly learned about 7 aspects to start business, which are market research, writing business plan, business funding, picking business location, choosing business structure and name, and finally registering your business. Hopefully you find this video useful to you. To know further about 7 aspects, I've created a separate video for each of it. Please do check it out. With that, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to reach the notification for your future video.
Signing off from LIA.